Welcome to the breathtaking landscapes of the Western Cape, where nature's drama unfolds in the most unexpected ways. The protagonist of our story is the bokmakierie, a small yet fiercely determined bird. On this particular day, it had its sights set on an unusual prey. Jannette Kotze captured intense footage of the bokmakierie launching a relentless attack on an unsuspecting snake. Despite being significantly smaller than its prey, the bird showed no signs of backing down, dragging the snake through the savannah and pecking at its body. Jannette said, "I have never seen anything like this before. It was extremely surprising. It started its attack by pecking at the snake's eyes. Bokmakieries typically feast on insects, but their diet occasionally includes amphibians and reptiles. On this day, snake was on the menu. Now that's wild. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications for every new upload.